Okay guys, welcome back. So today, a typical Saturday in my life, we're going to be doing some cleaning up, but especially your gas, as in we'll be cleaning the top gas. Hey guys, welcome back. So we'll be talking about how a typical Saturday in my life, how my Saturday goes sometimes. So I want to, yes, I'm not in any other place than my kitchen. I'm in my kitchen today. I want to clean my gas cylinder. So I'll be showing you guys how I clean my greasy glass cylinder. You know that Nigerians, we always eat oil, so sometimes we get our gas messed up. So I'll show you guys how I clean it and give it a cleaner and sparkling look. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys some of the products. So this is apple cider vinegar. I use it. You can use the white one. The white one is most preferable, but I'm not drinking it. I'm not taking it anymore. I was taking it as one time for weight loss, but then I'm no longer taking it. So I'll be using apple cider vinegar. Yes. So I'll be using it. Then this one is my baking soda. I've not used it before. This is a new baking soda, though I just removed the pack that I bought it from and I poured it inside this other can. Okay, so that's why it's looking like this, but this is not how I bought it. I bought it in a pack, so the pack was going to tear off, so I just decided to turn it inside here. So I'll be using mainly the apple cider vinegar and my baking soda. So, and you can also add vim. I don't have it. The one I have is broken. It's just the pieces of it. So you can also add vim. So I'm going to be using maybe these 3 ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys my gas stove now. So this is basically how my gas is, because I finished cooking and it's messed up. So this one is the vim I was talking about. It has broken from the container, so I'm just going to use this chunk and probably just add it somewhere around like this. Link the both of them together so that they can sink in or synchronize. So I'm just going to allow them to mix up. I'm coming, baby. I can just use it, but since I'm not using my apple cider vinegar, I decided to just make do with it. guys, so I'm done with the cleaning, and that's basically how I clean my greasy grass. You get my greasy grass cooker, because I don't know, you can use iron sponge if you want, with water or wet rag or anything. You can use any of the above, but this is how I like my own, because it gives us this sparkling smooth looks, you get, and it makes it avoid rusting too much on the top and on the surface rather. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you end up enjoying it, please help me subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that anytime I make a new post, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you guys. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.